Say hello to the 2025 BMW M2, a compact coupe that doesn't just whisper performance, it shouts it. In a world where cars are getting heavier, quieter, and more digital, the M2 says, "No thanks, I'll keep the noise and the thrill." But here's the twist. This one's a little more refined than before. Let's start with the looks. The M2 has always been the short-tempered little sibling in the M family, and 2025 doesn't change that. You still get the wide fenders, boxy stance, and that stubby, muscular silhouette, but it's sharper now. The front end's been tweaked slightly, and while the squared-off design still sparks debate, it's hard to deny. This thing looks fast even when it's parked. Out back, the quad exhaust pipes remind you this isn't a 2 Series in gym clothes. This is the real deal. And the color options. There's a new Zandvoort blue that turns heads without screaming for attention. Under that sculpted hood sits BMW's tried-and-true 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, the S58, a detuned version of the M3/M4 motor, but don't let that fool you. This thing pushes 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque to the rear wheels. 0 to 60 in about 4.1 seconds, or less if you're quick. And yes, you still get the option of a 6-speed manual, because BMW knows its audience. Prefer lightning-fast shifts? The 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters has you covered. Traction control off. Good luck keeping the grin off your face. It's lively, it's loud, and it loves to move sideways if you let it. Now let's talk handling, because this is where the M2 lives. BMW's engineers have dialed in a chassis that feels both planted and playful. The steering, sharp, predictable, communicative. You've got adaptive M suspension as standard, which adjusts in real time to whatever you're throwing at it. Tight canyon curves, freeway cruising, even just pothole-filled city streets. And thanks to a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity, the M2 feels like it's glued to the road, until you tell it not to be. There's enough feedback here to make enthusiasts giddy, but enough refinement that you won't regret the daily drive. Step inside, and BMW strikes a balance between modern luxury and focused performance. Front and center, you'll find a curved digital display running BMW's latest iDrive 8 interface. Fast, intuitive, and loaded with customization options. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The Harman Kardon audio system delivers serious punch, and the optional carbon fiber bucket seats? Let's just say they're more track day than daily commute, but they look phenomenal. The cabin is driver-centric, clean, high-quality materials, and just enough M branding to remind you you're in something special. There's even subtle ambient lighting for those night drives where you want to feel just a bit extra. Here's where the 2025 M2 surprises you. You can live with it. Sure, it's stiff when pushed, but the ride is perfectly tolerable around town. Visibility's solid, the cabin's quiet at cruising speeds, and you've got enough cargo space for a weekend getaway or, let's be honest, a few track day tools. Fuel economy? Not its strong suit. But if MPG is your priority, you're watching the wrong review. Pricing starts around $64,000, but tick a few boxes, like those carbon seats or the M Drivers package, and you'll be hovering near $75K. Still, for what this car delivers in performance, presence, and pure fun, it's a compelling package. The 2025 BMW M2 doesn't compromise, and that's what makes it so special. It's a rare breed these days, a rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, turbocharged coupe that actually gets better the harder you drive it. Whether you're a lifelong BMW fan or just someone who wants a driver's car without the size or sticker shock of an M4, the M2 makes a strong case for itself. It's bold, it's compact, and it's still got that signature M soul. The 2025 M2. It's the modern classic in the making.